Try right.
Hello again, Katri. Welcome to our math class. We are now in our math class.
Yes.
Papa,
Hello.
hello, and Proud, and
I was sorry.
hello. Let us
Good morning.
continue.
Good morning, welcome.
Good morning again, and welcome. Welcome to our math class. This time is our math class, okay? We just need to cut and continue again, okay? So we are now in our math class. We just cut for a little bit and then we need to continue now for our math. We are now in our math, okay? Okay. So are you still doing your drawing in your dinosaur drawing? Are you still doing it? Who is this one? Marine. My boa. So we have here Boa, Prow, Oi, and Marine. Okay. Is the internet okay? You hear me? You hear me? Okay. You hear me? K3? Okay. You are all praising in my screen. Okay. Now let us continue.
Yes.
Okay. Let us continue again. Are you ready for our math? Are you ready? Why all of you is praising?
Yes.
Okay, let us continue. Let us continue to our math.
ใบบัวทำอะไรอยู่หรอ
Okay, Papa, we have Proud, Boy, and Boa. Okay? Okay, the internet is again. Okay, I will share this to you. I prepare this one for you. This is for our math. Look at this one. Okay, all of you look at this one now. Okay, let us start. Okay, welcome to our math class. Welcome to our math class. And our topic for our math is the greater than, less than, and equal. Okay, let us talk about greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay? Big versus math. We are now in our math class. Prepare your notebook again. You have to prepare your notebook again. Prepare empty page. Look at this one. Okay, look at this one. Greater than means bigger, okay? Greater than means big. And the arrow will go forward, okay? The arrow will go forward. Great, that is the sign of greater than. Greater than means bigger. Okay? Big. And less than means smaller. You listen here. You know already better than less than? Okay. Less than means smaller. Okay, smaller.
Yes.
Okay. smaller, and
Teacher,
equal
this
to,
one.
equal means the same. Equal, the same.
Teacher, color this one.
Yes, you have to color it. You have to color it brown. After you know
Yeah, this one.
what do you mean?
I like it.
Okay, let's the dinosaur. You mean the dinosaur? Yes, you have to color it.
Color wash.
Are you drawing? You are asking me about the dinosaur? No, this one. This we are now in our math. Listen first to our math class. We are now in our math. Okay.
No, I deserve.
Okay. No, you don't have because most of you don't have books. That's why. No, that's why you just have to prepare notebook. Yes, just prepare notebook. Yes, proud. Okay. So this equal means the same as. Okay, the same as, the same. This is what this is, equal. And this one is the equal sign. This is the sign of equal. Okay, this is the sign of greater than. Okay, the arrow goes forward, and less than, the arrows goes backward. And we have this sign of equal. Okay, equal means same as. Okay, you understand? Okay, now let's go to this one. We have three here. We have here three. We have here 3 and 2. Is 3 greater than 2 or less than 2? 3 is greater than 2 or less than 2? Is number 3 greater than 2 or less than 2? You have to answer greater than or less than, okay? Is 3 bigger than 2 or less? Greater or less than? The answer here is greater than. Greater than. 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. And how about this one?
Yep.
How about this one? So we have here 1 less than 4. Okay, 1 is less than 4. Okay, the answer here is less than. Look at this one, less than. Okay, you understand? Greater than and less than. You know what greater than and less than?
Yes.
Properly. All of you sit properly. Sit properly, proud. Listen here. I saw this one in your book, and you have to do you have to answer this one. Okay, next time I will give you a worksheet for this one because you don't have your book. Okay. 1 is less than 4. It is 1 smaller than 4. Just like that. Okay, less than. 1 is less than 4. And how about this? Greater than. Okay, we have here 6 less than, greater than.
What do you do?
What is that, Papa? Proud, listen here.
Yes, teacher.
Listen here, listen here. Okay, we have here 6 greater than 3. The answer here is greater than.
Okay.
You have to count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 fish here in this side, and we have 1, 2, 3. 3 fish in the other side. So you need to know if it is greater than or less than. So the answer here is greater than. And how about this one? Look at here first. Proud. Papa, answer here. By Boa, answer this one. This bag is less than.
This one.
Okay, the answer here is less than. One bag is less than 4. Okay, less than 4 bags. You understand? This one, the answer here is less than. The answer here is less than. You have to know less than it means smaller. Less than it means smaller. By Boa, look at here. Pepsi, Oi, Proud, look at here, Proud. Okay. This one is equal to. So we have here different kind of birds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 birds here in this side. And we have 5 birds in the other side. So it
Equal to.
Yeah, equal to. The answer here is equal to. What is the answer here? By Boa? What is the answer here by Boa? The answer is
Equal.
Equal to. Okay, so we have this one. The apple, we have 3 apple here, and we have 6 leaves. Is apple less than or greater than 6 leaves? Okay, so we have to say, we have to look at this one first by Boa. Jesse, look at here. Oi, look at here, Oi. And Proud. Hi, Bea. Hello, Bea. So we have here 3 apples are less than 6 leaves. 3 apples are less than 6 leaves.
This one was.
So the answer here is less than. This sign is less than. Okay. 3 apples are less than 6 leaves. It means smaller than. The amount of apple is smaller than 6 leaves. You understand? Hello, Bea. Okay, how about this one? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs in this side, and we have 1, 2, 3 rabbits. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Rabbits, and this one is rabbit, and this one is frogs. So we have 4 frogs and 3 rabbits. So 4 frogs are 4 and 3 rabbits. So it means 4 frogs are greater than 3 rabbits.
เขียนให้มันห่างหน่อยจะได้รู้
Understand? You understand? 4 frogs is greater than 3 rabbits. Greater than. The answer here is greater than or bigger. Frogs is bigger amount than rabbits. Compared to rabbits. Okay? You understand? Okay, look at here. Let us continue. We have 3 violins. Look at here. They cannot see you now. It's really slow. The internet cannot pick it up. Okay, look at here. Look at here. We have 3 violins are equal in value to 3 drums. Okay, we have 3 violins and 3 drums. The answer here is, my boy, what is the answer? This one is, what is the sign? This sign is equal. Equal to. Yes, the sign
Equal
here is,
to.
yes, 3
Three.
violins.
Equal
3
3.
violins are equal in the value of 3 drums. You understand already? You understand already greater than and less than? Or, huh? Or big as all. Okay? Now let's go to this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. We have 8 reddish, and we have 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
any 1, 2. Can you count this one? The green vegetables, can you count this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one. Can you count this one? Jepsi, Braiboa, count this one. Count this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5,
8. Okay, we have 8 green vegetables, and we have 8 reddish. So, is it, what is the answer here?
7.
Is it equal or greater than or less than?
Equal.
The answer here is equal to. Okay, because they have the same amount. Now let's go to this one. Okay, can you count the strawberry here? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
we have 6 strawberries. Can you count
Can
the carrots? Carrots. 1, carrots. 1, 2, how many carrots we have in here? By Boa.
Equal.
Equal to. The answer here is equal to, because we have 6 strawberry and we have 6 carrots. The answer is equal to. And look at this one. And look at this one. How many vegetables we have this one here?
อ๋ออันใหม่แล้ว
I think this one is onion. Okay, let us count. 1,
1, 2, 3,
English. Oh, English. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have here 6 onions, and then we have this one. Corn. This one is a corn. How many corn we have? 1,
2, 3, 3.
4. I cannot see it. Okay. 4 or 5. Okay, we have here 2, 4, 6. So 6 onion is greater than. Okay, greater than corn. Okay, greater than. So we have here. Okay, just a minute. Okay, let us continue. Let us check big or small. Okay, greater than means big. Okay, greater than means big. Smaller than Less than means small. Okay. This is how you identify also for you to feel easy to identify. Greater than means big. Listen here. Listen here.
วันที่ 4 เตรียมตัวไว้เลย ไม่ต้องใส่ซองนะ ไม่เอา
Brow sit properly. No, you cannot do like that. Brow sit properly. Sit properly, brow sit properly, and long
เขา
properly.
ไม่ให้ใส่
Okay, and listen here. Okay, sit down,
ดม
Jesse.
ดมแบบนั้นเลย
Okay.
เห็นแล้วที่เชื่อว่าอะไร
Okay, Bea. Okay, look at here. Are you there, Bea? I cannot see you, Bea. Big versus small. Okay, let us check this one. You have to answer this one, okay? Which is bigger? Okay, we have to circle the answer. Which is bigger? Big. Is this balloon or this balloon? This balloon. Big. Which is big? This one or this one? Bigger. This one or this one?
This one.
This one is bigger than, this balloon is bigger than, or ball is bigger than this ball. Okay, how about this one? Which is smaller? Small. In this two, look at the screen. Okay, this one is smaller. You have to circle the answer. Okay. Which is smaller? This moon or this moon?
This one.
Okay, this one, small. They're asking here small. Smaller, okay? And which is small? Which is smaller? This one or the apple? The other apple? Okay. And then which is bigger? This bike or the other bike? This one. This bike is bigger than the other bike. And then this one. Which is bigger? This lamp or this one?
This one.
Okay, bigger. This one is bigger than the other lamp. So I hope you understand already. Greater than, less than, or big and small. Greater means big. Okay. Less than means small. Okay. And equal to. Equal to, it means the same as. Same as. Equal to. Okay. So you understand already?
Yeah.
You understand? Okay, I want to say our time is already up. I hope you understand. And next time I will give you a worksheet for this one, okay? But for this time, because today is Friday, I want to say enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday. Okay, K3?
Monday tomorrow.
Monday. Okay, tomorrow is Saturday. I will see you again on Monday. Okay? Okay, so I want to say thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of you, and you have to take care always, okay? Drink plenty of water. You have to eat healthy food.
Shisha, I want eat this one. Eat candy.
The lollipop. Okay,
Yes.
it will damage also your teeth. Okay, because that is so sweet.
Me brush your teeth.
Yeah, you have to brush your teeth. When you will eat sweet foods, you need to brush your teeth. Okay, don't forget that one, because you will damage your teeth if you will not brush your teeth. Okay, so drink plenty of water, take vitamins, eat healthy foods, eat fruits. Okay, eat fruits. So thank you so much, Kitri, and I'll see you again on Monday. Bye.
Goodbye, Shisha.
Jesse, Proud, Oi, hi, bye. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Bye.